In today's video, you will learn how to create multiple Shopify store on one account. Shopify allows users to manage several stores under one account, making it easier to switch between projects while keeping everything connected in one place. To begin, sign in to the Shopify account where you want to create the additional store. After logging into the Shopify admin dashboard, you will arrive at the main interface where Shopify organizes all store management tools. This includes products, orders, analytics, customers, themes, and other important settings used to manage your online business. Once you are inside the dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. This section gives you access to account-related options and store management controls. Select the profile icon to open the account menu. After opening the menu, locate the option labeled All Stores. This section displays every Shopify store currently connected to your account. If you already manage multiple stores, you will see them listed here. Shopify may also separate active stores from inactive stores. Inside the All Stores section, you can move between different stores connected to the same account without needing to sign out each time. This is especially helpful for users managing separate businesses or different storefronts from a single dashboard setup. To create another Shopify store, continue by selecting the option labeled Create Store. Once selected, Shopify will begin the process of opening a new store under your existing account. After the new store is created, you will need to go through the setup process for that store in the same way you would when setting up any Shopify store for the first time. This includes configuring store details, products, themes, settings, and other business information connected to the new storefront. Each store operates independently, which means products, designs, and settings can be managed separately, even though they are connected under the same account login. After the setup is completed, the new store will appear in your All Stores section alongside your existing stores. From there, you can switch between them whenever needed and continue managing multiple Shopify stores from the same account dashboard. And that is the complete process for creating multiple Shopify stores on one account.